Welcome to our mini washing machine showdown. Today, we will be comparing two portable washing machines that are perfect for small spaces and on-the-go living. On one side, we have the DXJJ portable washing machine with a capacity of 13 liters, and on the other, the Nixod portable washing machine boasting a larger 15-liter capacity. We'll delve into their features, pricing, and what users are saying about them to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to capacity, the Nixod portable washing machine takes the lead with its 15-liter capacity, allowing you to wash more clothes in one go. In contrast, the DXJJ model offers a slightly smaller 13-liter capacity, which may be suitable for lighter loads. If you frequently wash larger batches, the Nixod could be the better option. In terms of features, the Nixod portable washing machine stands out with its included spin basket and drain hose, making it more convenient for users. The DXJJ model, while compact and foldable, lacks these additional features, which could limit its functionality. If you value extra features for efficiency, the Nixod is the clear winner here. Price is another important factor to consider. The DXJJ portable washing machine is priced at a budget-friendly $50, making it an attractive option for those looking to save money. On the other hand, the Nixod model is priced at $79, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features. Depending on your budget and needs, you may prefer the more economical choice or opt for the enhanced functionality of the Nixod. In conclusion, both the DXJJ and Nixod portable washing machines offer unique benefits. The DXJJ is a great budget option for smaller loads, while the Nixod provides a larger capacity and more features for a higher price. Consider your specific needs and budget when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.